Moments of hesitation can be a good reason for customers to leave the site without making any purchase. Adding a sticky Add to Cart button that follows the customer as they scroll is a clever way of eliminating that obstacle by avoiding the need to scroll all the way back up the page to buy a product. My name is Lisa, and welcome to Learn with GemPages. In today's video, we're going to explore how to create a floating cart that's always visible. Feel free to use the timestamp to go back and forth to the section you'd like. Now let's get into it. Insert a sticky cart template. By using pre-designed sticky cart templates from the GemPages library, we don't need to create everything from the ground up. There are different layouts and styles to choose from, and you can customize them further in fonts, color, size, and many more. Now we're going to head over to the GemPages dashboard, access the Product Pages section, and then click on Create New Template. Let's go for the kitchenware template as it has the sticky cart we need. After clicking on Start Editing, we'll name the template and then hit Create. Next, we're going to right-click on the row element surrounding the section and then hit the downloading icon. You'll see a window pop up, then give it a name and hit Save to complete. I know it might feel déjà vu a bit, as it's almost identical to the previous steps. However, you can see that the new section is part of the collection already. Next, we'll enter the preferred page to insert your newly saved block. Go to the library, switch to the My Library tab, and hit Insert. Customize your sticky cart. The current sticky cart consists of a countdown timer, a flash sale section, and call to action button inside a red background row. Now, we're going to make some adjustments every now and then to make the row work in harmony with the page. Let's start with the background color. We're going to replace it with black by clicking on the row element. On the left sidebar, select the Design tab under the Background section under Color. You can either enter the color code or pick directly from the color palette. The same goes for the countdown timer. If you want to further customize it, I've dropped the link for the detailed article in the description. The white color of the flash sale section looks so good in the black background, so we just need to modify the content slightly to tone with your brand and move on to the call to action button. As we want to bring the essence of the button from the product module, we're going to change the button to sky blue and the text inside from black to white. The button will look better with the smaller size, so we're changing its width from 100 to 60 pixels. Position your sticky cart. The current sticky cart is at the bottom by default. Now we're going to figure out how to position it in different ways. Worth keeping in mind that the feature is available for the business and advanced plans. Click on the row element, select the Design tab, and then the Position section. Under Position, there are three options: Relative, Sticky to the Screen, and Static. With Relative, the row will be set in a specific position. Put simply, the row won't be sticky anymore. With Sticky to the Screen, obviously this is the feature we're opting for in the first place. The last one is Static, which is an advanced setting we'll cover in another video. Meanwhile, feel free to dig deeper by checking out the article in the description. Moving along here, Z-index is how we determine the display order of a row to another. The higher the number is, the closer it gets to the front. The key takeaway here is we should set the number as 99 to make sure it's always in front of the other elements. Now we're going to choose the position of the sticky cart by clicking More Settings. Under Vertical Orientation, we can get the bar stuck to the top or the bottom. The same logic applies to the horizontal orientation if we want a side sticky cart. Lastly, the Offset feature lets us set padding to the borders by entering a particular number by pixels or percentage. We did write articles about it on our Help Center, and it goes into a lot more detail. The link is in the description if you want to learn more. Don't forget to hit Save and Publish to preserve your work. Sticky Cart is a small but mighty feature that is so worth trying. We also can draw the distinction of a page with and without a sticky cart to see how effective it is with A/B testing. That's everything I want to share with you today. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to us. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated with the latest content. Let us know what you want to see next in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!